Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Clear Voice Pod. This is the place where you learn English in a simple and fun way. I'm Emma. How are you doing today?
I am doing great. Thank you for asking. I'm Alex, and hello to all our amazing listeners out there. It is so nice to be here with you again.
Yes, it really is. I love our podcast days. So tell me, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Actually, yes. I am planning something special. I am going to have some friends over to my house.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. Like a small get-together?
Yes, exactly. A small dinner with close friends. We will eat together and talk and maybe play some games.
That sounds like a perfect evening. I love those kinds of nights. Just good food and good company.
Me too. But I have to be honest with you. I am feeling a little worried about it.
Worried? Why are you worried? You like your friends, right?
Of course I like my friends. That is not the problem. The problem is that I want to be a really good host.
Ah, I understand now. You want everything to be perfect.
Yes. And sometimes I am not sure what to say. What are the right English phrases to use when someone comes to my home?
Oh, that is a fantastic question. And you know what? I think this is a perfect topic for today's episode.
Really? Can we talk about that?
Absolutely. Let's talk about how to welcome guests. This is useful for everyone.
Great. I am excited to learn. But first, I want to say something to our listeners.
Yes, of course. Go ahead.
If you are enjoying our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to Clear Voice Pod. It is free and it helps us a lot.
That is right. And please click the like button if you find this episode helpful. It really makes a difference for us.
Also, share this episode with someone who is learning English, maybe a friend or a classmate.
Wonderful. Now, let's begin our lesson. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's do this.
Okay. So, imagine it is the day of your dinner party. Your house is clean, the food is ready, you are wearing nice clothes.
Okay, I can imagine that. I am standing in my living room. Everything looks nice.
Good. Now, suddenly, the doorbell rings.
Oh, my guests are here. I feel nervous already.
Don't be nervous. Take a deep breath, walk to the door slowly, and when you open it, what is the first thing you should do?
Say hello?
Yes, but before you speak, do something with your face.
My face? Oh, you mean smile.
Exactly. A big, warm smile. This is the most important thing. Your smile tells your guest that you are happy to see them.
Okay, I will smile big, and then what do I say?
You can say something simple like, "Hello, I am so glad you could come."
I am so glad you could come. I like that. It sounds very friendly.
It does. It tells the person that you are happy they are there. It is much better than just saying, "Hi."
What if I know them very well, like my best friend?
Then you can be more casual. You can say, "Hey, it is so good to see you."
It is so good to see you. That sounds very natural.
Yes, for close friends, you can also say, "I am so happy you are here."
I am so happy you are here. Nice. Can I repeat all of these?
Of course, practice is important.
Okay, number 1, I am so glad you could come. Number 2, it is so good to see you. Number 3, I am so happy you are here.
Perfect. You said all of them correctly. Now, your guest is standing at the door. What is the next step?
I should ask them to come inside, right?
Right. You do not want them to stand outside. The simple phrase is, "Please come in."
Please come in. Easy.
Yes, but if you want to sound more friendly and relaxed, you can say, "Come on in."
Come on in. Ah, that does sound more casual.
You can also add their name, like, "Come on in, David." Using their name makes it more personal.
Come on in, David. Make yourself comfortable. Is that okay to say?
That is perfect. You are learning fast. Now, let's think about what happens next. Your guest walks inside. They're probably carrying something.
Carrying something? Like what?
Maybe a coat, maybe a jacket, maybe an umbrella if it is raining, maybe a bag.
Oh, yes, that makes sense. So I should offer to take their things?
Exactly. A good host helps with these things. You can say, "May I take your coat?"
May I take your coat? That sounds very polite.
It is polite. If you want to be more casual, you can say, "Let me take your coat for you."
Let me take your coat for you. And then I hang it up somewhere?
Yes, in a closet or on a coat rack. Do not just throw it on a chair.
Ah, okay. I will hang it up nicely.
Good. Now, here is something that can be a little tricky. The shoes question.
The shoes question. What do you mean?
Well, in some homes, people wear shoes inside. In other homes, people take their shoes off at the door.
Oh, I see. In my home, I prefer no shoes. The floors stay cleaner that way.
That is totally fine, but you need to tell your guests in a polite way.
How do I say that without sounding rude?
You can say, "Would you mind taking off your shoes?"
Would you mind taking off your shoes? Okay, that sounds gentle.
Yes. Another good option is to say, "We usually leave our shoes by the door."
We usually leave our shoes by the door. I like that. It explains the rule without sounding bossy.
Exactly. And if you do not care about shoes, you can say, "Feel free to keep your shoes on."
Feel free to keep your shoes on. Got it. What about slippers? I have guest slippers.
That is very thoughtful. You can say, "Here are some slippers if you would like them."
Here are some slippers if you would like them. Perfect.
Okay, so now your guest is inside. Their coat is hung up. The shoes situation is handled. What comes next?
I think I should offer them something to drink.
Yes, offering a drink is one of the most important things a host can do. It makes people feel welcome.
So I just say, do you want water?
That works, but there are better ways to say it. Try this. "Can I get you something to drink?"
Can I get you something to drink? That is more open. They can choose what they want.
Right. You can also list the options. "Can I get you some water, juice, or maybe some tea?"
Can I get you some water, juice, or maybe some tea? That is helpful because they know what I have.
Exactly. Another nice phrase is, "What can I get you to drink?"
What can I get you to drink? Simple and clear.
Now, sometimes you might be busy. Maybe you are cooking in the kitchen and you cannot pour the drink yourself.
That happens. What do I say then?
You can invite them to serve themselves. You say, "Please help yourself."
Please help yourself. I have heard this phrase before. It means they can take what they want, right?
Yes, it is a very common and friendly phrase. You can say, "The drinks are on the table. Please help yourself." The drinks are on the table. Please help yourself. That makes it easy for everyone. It does, and it makes your guests feel at home.
Speaking of home, I have another question. What about the bathroom?
Ah, yes, the bathroom. This is something many guests feel shy to ask about.
Really? Why?
I think it feels a little personal. Some people are embarrassed to ask, "Where is the toilet?"
Oh, I understand. So what should I do?
A smart host tells them before they need to ask. When they first come in, you can give them a quick tour.
A tour of my house?
Just a mini tour. You can say, "Let me show you around quickly."
Let me show you around quickly. And then I point to the rooms?
Yes, you walk with them and say something like, "The kitchen is here, the living room is over there, and the bathroom is down the hall on the right." The bathroom is down the hall on the right. That is very helpful. It is. Now they know where everything is. They do not have to ask later.
That is a great idea. I will do that for sure.
Good. Now let's talk about something that many people find difficult: introductions.
Introductions? You mean when I introduce my friends to each other?
Yes. You said you are inviting friends from different places. Do they all know each other?
No, not really. My friend from work has never met my friend from my neighborhood.
So you have an important job. You need to introduce them.
How do I do that well?
It is easy. You bring them together and you say their names. For example, Sarah, I would like you to meet Tom.
Sarah, I would like you to meet Tom. That sounds a little formal.
It is a bit formal, yes. For casual situations, you can say, Sarah, this is Tom. Tom, this is Sarah.
Sarah, this is Tom. Tom, this is Sarah. Much easier.
You can also add a little information to help them start a conversation.
What kind of information?
Something they have in common, like, Sarah, this is Tom. He also loves cooking.
Oh, I see. So they have something to talk about right away.
Exactly. You are helping them connect.
Sarah, this is Tom. He also loves Italian food. Like that?
Perfect. That gives them a topic to discuss.
This is really helpful. What else should I know?
Let's talk about making your guests feel comfortable. There is a very famous phrase for this.
What is it?
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home. I love this phrase. What does it really mean?
It means relax, be comfortable. Don't be too formal. Act like this is your own house.
So if I say make yourself at home, my guests can sit anywhere, relax, and feel free?
Yes, it is a very welcoming phrase. Every good host says this.
Make yourself at home. I will definitely use this one.
You can also tell them where to sit. Please have a seat in the living room.
Please have a seat. That is better than saying sit down, right?
Yes, sit down sounds like an order. Please have a seat is an invitation.
Please have a seat. The sofa is very comfortable. How is that?
That is excellent. You are being a wonderful host.
Thank you. I am learning so much. But what about during the party? What if someone looks bored or alone?
Good question. As a host, you should watch your guests. If someone is standing alone, go talk to them.
What should I say?
You can ask simple questions. Are you having a good time? Or is there anything I can get you?
Are you having a good time? Is there anything I can get you? Those are nice.
You can also bring them into a conversation with other guests. Remember the introduction technique.
Right. Connect people together.
Exactly. A good host makes sure no one feels left out. I will try my best to do that. I know you will. Now let's talk about something that many people find difficult: the end of the party. Eventually, people need to go home. Saying goodbye. Is there a special way to do that? Yes. When guests are leaving, you should walk them to the door.
Walk them to the door. Okay.
Get their coat from the closet and help them put it on, if needed.
And then what do I say?
You thank them for coming. Thank you so much for coming tonight.
Thank you so much for coming tonight. That is warm and polite.
Then you can say, I had such a great time with you.
I had such a great time with you. That is very sweet.
And finally, you can say something caring, like, get home safe.
Get home safe. I like that. It shows I care about them.
Exactly. Or you can say, drive safe if they are driving.
Drive safe. Text me when you get home. Is that too much?
Not at all. That is very caring. Close friends appreciate that.
Great. So let me try to remember everything.
Yes, let's do a quick review together.
Okay, first, when they arrive, I smile big and say, I am so glad you could come. Come on in.
Perfect.
Then I take their coat. Let me take your coat for you.
Great.
I tell them about shoes. We usually leave our shoes by the door.
Good.
I offer a drink. Can I get you something to drink?
Excellent.
I show them the bathroom. The bathroom is down the hall on the left.
Very helpful.
I introduce people. Sarah, this is Tom. He also loves music.
Perfect connection.
I tell them to relax. Make yourself at home. Please have a seat.
Wonderful.
And when they leave, I say, thank you so much for coming. Get home safe.
You remembered everything. You are going to be an amazing host.
Thank you so much. I feel much more confident now.
That makes me happy. Remember, the most important thing is to be kind and friendly. If your heart is warm, the words will come easily.
If my heart is warm, the words will come easily. That is beautiful.
It is true. Your guests just want to spend time with you. They do not expect perfection.
That makes me feel better. I was putting too much pressure on myself.
Just relax and enjoy your own party. That is the secret.
I will try to do that. Thank you for all these tips.
You are very welcome. Now, I have a question for our listeners.
Oh yes, let's hear from them.
Do you like hosting parties, or do you prefer being a guest?
That is a good question. Being a guest is easier. You just show up and eat.
That is true, but hosting is special too. You create happiness for others.
Yes, both are nice in different ways.
Listeners, please tell us in the comments, do you like to host or be a guest?
And what do you say in your country when guests arrive? We want to learn about your culture.
Yes, please share with us. We love reading your comments and learning new things.
Every country has different traditions for welcoming guests.
That is right. In some countries, you offer food first. In other countries, you offer tea.
What is the tradition in your home? Tell us.
All right, I think we have covered a lot today.
We really have. My head is full of new phrases.
Should we list all the key phrases one more time for our listeners?
Yes, that is a great idea. A final review.
Okay, here are the important phrases from today. Number 1, I am so glad you could come.
Number 2, come on in.
Number 3, let me take your coat for you.
Number 4, would you mind taking off your shoes?
Number 5, can I get you something to drink?
Number 6, please help yourself.
Number 7, the bathroom is down the hall, on the left.
Number 8, I would like to meet someone.
Number 9, make yourself at home.
Number 10, please have a seat.
Number 11, thank you so much for coming.
And number 12, get home safe.
12 wonderful phrases for hosting guests.
I am going to practice all of them before my party.
That is a great idea. Practice makes perfect.
Maybe I will practice in front of the mirror.
That works, or you can practice with a friend.
Good idea. Well, this was such a helpful episode.
I am glad you think so, and I hope our listeners found it helpful too.
Before we go, a quick reminder, please subscribe to Clear Voice Pod.
Yes, click that subscribe button so you never miss an episode.
And give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's lesson.
Share this episode with anyone who is learning English. It might help them too.
We really appreciate your support. It means the world to us.
We could not do this without you, our wonderful listeners.
Thank you for spending this time with us today.
Have a fantastic week, everyone. Keep practicing your English.
And if you have a party, remember to smile and say, I am so glad you could come.
Perfect ending. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.
Take care.
Take care.